Welcome back. Hopefully, as you were brainstorming biological traits and phenotypes, you came up with some great examples. A few that came to my mind were weight, where the biological trait would be weight, and the phenotype would be the actual weight measurement itself, so how much a particular person weighs. Or something like height, with the phenotype being how tall you are. We can also treat disease as a trait. I've actually listed two phenotypes here related to the trait of asthma. This is because we can investigate different phenotypes for any given trait. For example, we can investigate the asthma phenotype in the sense of how many people develop asthma versus those that don't. Or we can investigate the disease trait using a particular measure of severity, so how severe asthma is in a particular population. And finally, we can be interested in a trait related to something like airborne pollutants, where our phenotype of interest may be the amount of specific pollutants in your particular environment. You probably came up with some great examples of your own as well. Now you may be asking the question, how do these phenotypes and traits relate to genetics and the environment? You see here a fairly simple equation where our phenotypes, those quantifiable features of a biological trait, are collectively what make you, you. And these are a result of your genes, your underlying genetics, and your environment and lifestyle choices. Now, attempting to determine how much each part of this equation contributes to phenotypes is an active area of research in bioinformatics. You'll soon come to appreciate there is often a lot of overlap depending on the phenotype in question, and these worlds often collide. I'll leave most of the discussion of the environment to my colleague Dr. Urbanowitz in future units related to the exposome. But we are going to learn that figuring out how much our genes contribute to a particular phenotype and how much our environment contributes to a particular phenotype can be really, really tough.